Class 12 Functions in C. Hello everyone. Today we take a big leap forward. We learn how to make our code smarter, modular and elegant with functions. In C, functions are not just tools, they are structures. They help us divide a long, complicated program into smaller logical blocks. Why does that matter? Because when your code is organized, it becomes easier to write, easier to understand, and much easier to fix or improve later. So today, we will understand what a function is, how to build one, and how to use it like a pro. Slide 2. What is a function? Let us begin with the basic. A function is a block of code that performs one specific task. It is like a mini program inside your main program. Instead of repeating the same code again and again, you write it once inside a function and then just call it wherever needed. That is the core idea. Write once, use many times. The benefits: 1. Reusability. Less typing, fewer bugs. Second, readability. You see what the program is doing at a glance. Third, maintainability. If something changes, update just one place. This is how professionals code is written. Slide 3. Function syntax in C. Now, let's break down how a function works in C. Every function has three parts. 1. Declaration, also called a prototype. This tells the compiler, hey, a function exists with this name, return type, and these parameters. For example, int add within parenthesis int a, int b, parenthesis closed, semicolon. Second definition. This is where the actual task is written, the body of the function. Example, int add within parenthesis int a, int b, then curly braces, within it return a plus b, semicolon. Third is function call. This is where we use the function. Example, integer result equal to add 5, 3, then semicolon. You pass the input, the function runs and returns the output. Simple, powerful. Slide 4. Example, I am adding two numbers. Let us see this in full program. The code is given here. Please go through this code and try to understand. We define a function called add that takes two integers. Inside main, we call add 5,3 and store the result. Output is sum is 8. Clean, direct, fully modular. Once this function is written, you can call it with any two numbers. That is reusable logic, and that is good design. Slide 5. Practical plus assignment. Let us practice. Write a function that returns the square of a number. Here is a simple example. Integer square within parenthesis int n, within braces return n star n. This is the core of reusability. Define once, use everywhere. Try calling it from main with different values like square 6, square 10. You will see how helpful this becomes in larger programs. Now let's stretch our logic. Write a program that takes two numbers and return the larger one. Here is one way to do it. The code is given here. Please read and try to understand. Then call this function from main and print the result. This is your assignment. Now you just built a function that makes a decision. It compares two values and returns the winner. This is how you start embedding intelligence into your programs. Slide 7. Summary. Let's summarize today's learning. A function is a reusable block that performs a specific task. Functions help you write modular, readable and efficient code. You now know how to declare a function, define what it does, call it when needed. You have written functions to add, square and compare numbers. With this skill, your code becomes organized, logical and powerful. Final thought. A great program is not one long piece of code. It is a collection of well-defined functions that work together. Each one does one job and does it well. From today, start thinking. Can this be a function? If yes, write it as one. That is how real developers think, and that is the path you are now on. Keep exploring, keep building. See you in the next class.